Hello everybody, this is Hani Amari. I'm glad to see you here. Thank you for watching my videos. Uh, for everyone who's watching me for the first time, I'm online entrepreneur working as a affiliate since 2015. I've made a lot of mistakes. I did quit 2 times, then came back to this great and amazing business. Thankfully, I've made it a successful business by the middle of 2017 and growing. I thought it's good to share some of my experience as I have 30 years working experience, and of course there is in life a lot. I thought to give you some tips, advices to help you if you are thinking to join this digital space, and of course I will I will try to make it easy for you and help you for everything you would like according to my experience. Today I'm going to speak about something interesting. Last night I was watching TV and it was a business interview with many business men in the UK, and one of them mentioned a great piece of information. He said that his staff did a search for him back 2017. The people who typed on the search engine, only Google search engine, the word make money online, I mean people they were trying to join this business and working from home, making money online, was to 200,000 and 200 only people type this keywords on the search engine. But this month already also his staff did give him on the 1st of October this year research on the same thing. I mean, people who type this keyword make money online on Google search engine only. The number is huge. Monthly, the number I gave you, that was monthly, 2,100 and something people type this keyword on Google search. But for this year, according to this businessman, he said it was 2,800,000 people who typed the same keywords on Google search monthly. What that mean? That means this business is growing rapidly and tremendously, and it's going far and far, and a lot of people thinking to join that. The reason, you know the reason, because you already, I guess, or suppose you are already interested with the same thing. So, if you are trying, or you start your first step, or you're already planning to make it, so this number from people who very like well known in this industry, working online and making money, quitting their job. So go on, go ahead, do your research, follow the steps, and keep searching, keep like acquiring more information, because this business is going to have like a high percentage from people who are trying or already. If you are already have this online business, so this is good news for you. If you are planning, I give you now, I give you now a list of information, which, like for example, give you indication that you have to be serious in your try to join this kind of business, any business, on any online business. For me, I'm working as affiliate, selling other people's product, making commission, which is good, and the easiest niche I'm joining and working perfectly. And you already did your research and you found some information. If you want more information, you can check my previous videos, or you can reach me out, comment, or visit my website, submit a request, and I will reply to you. But again and again, I can't stress more than that. Be serious, take action, follow steps, because it's not too late. If you are already, fresh graduate, starting your working journey now, this is really good. If you are not like this age, like me, an old man, it's not too late. Go ahead, make it happen. And if you want anything, any help, reach me out and I will support you a lot. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please drop me a line, subscribe. If you want any help, any more information, I will come here daily. I make it like a quick video to make it easy for you to watch. Thank you for watching again, and see you. Thanks.